Hi and welcome to 60 Seconds At, a series of 60-second videos in and around the Lake District. To keep up to date, please subscribe. Castlerigg Stone Circle dates back to the Neolithic period about 3000 BC and is among the earliest and one of the most visually impressive of the British Isles. Looking across the Thirlmere Valley with dramatic views including Skiddaw and Blencathra. There are 38 stones, approximately 30 metres in diameter. The heaviest stone has been estimated to weigh around 16 tonnes, and the tallest stone measures approximately 2.3 metres high. It is important in terms of megalithic astronomy and geometry, as the construction contains significant astronomical alignment. Although its origins are unknown, it is believed that it was used for ceremonial and religious purposes. The circle may have been a meeting place where axes were traded or exchanged. Exchange or trading of stone axes may not have been possible without first taking part in a ritual ceremony.